Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to social online class. Children, how are you? Are you obeying your parents? Are you studying your portion? Did you watch the previous video? How was it? Did you understand the lesson? I hope you have understood, right? Okay, in the previous class, we have completed learning chapter 2, right? Can you say the title of the chapter? What's the title? Yes, it is inventions, right? Okay, today let us learn the question answers as well as the book back exercise, right? In the last class, I told you to read the book and try to complete the book back exercise, right? Did you do? If not, please listen this video and after that you can complete. Understood? Okay. Okay. Let us start the session. Chapter 2, question answers, okay, and book back exercise. Yes, inventions. You have learned more about this in the previous class, right? Invention of electric bulb, radio, then television, computer, wheel, right? Paper. You have learned more things. Did you go through the book? If not, please read. Roman number 1, fill in the blanks. For that, before that, you have to take your social textbook. Okay, chapter 2, that is page number 36. You have to take social textbook, page number 36. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Start. The first one, use your sharp pencils to mark the answers, okay? The Chinese used dash blocks for printing. The Chinese used dash blocks for printing. Wooden blocks, okay? Wooden blocks. The answer is wooden, W-O-O-D-N, wooden box. Can you able to see? Wait a minute. Okay, see here? The Chinese used wooden blocks for printing. Okay, have you marked that? Now the second one. Thomas Watson helped Alexander Graham Bell when he invented the telephone. Okay, who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, who helped him when inventing the telephone? Thomas Watson. Dash helped Alexander Graham Bell when he invented the telephone. Who was he? Thomas Watson. Okay. Yes. Question number 3. The television screens now use dash which use less energy. The television screens now use dash which uses less energy. LCDs. L, C and D you have to write in capitals. That full form is liquid crystal displays. Okay, liquid crystal displays, that is LCDs. The television screens now use LCDs which use less energy, right? Okay, question number 4. Intel invented the microprocessor that is used in computers. Okay, the question is dash invented the microprocessor that is used in computers. What's the answer? Intel, I-N-T-E-L, Intel. Have you written? Okay, question number 5, that is E. The launching of dash marked the beginning of the space age. The launching of dash marked the beginning of the space age. Sputnik 1. Okay, Sputnik 1. The spelling is S capital P-U-T-N-I-K, then number 1. Okay, Sputnik 1. Let me repeat the fill in the blanks. The first one, the Chinese used wooden blocks for printing, right? Okay, the second one, Thomas Watson helped Alexander Graham Bell when he invented the telephone. Okay, then the third one, the television screens now use LCDs which use less energy. Okay, question number 4. Intel invented the microprocessor that is used in computers. Okay, question number 5. The Launching of Sputnik 1 marked the beginning of the space age. Okay. Yes, have you all completed fill in the blanks? Okay. Question 2, that is choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. You can tick the correct option, right? First one, dash used smoke signals to send messages. Dash used smoke signals to send messages. African tribes, Indians, or ancient Chinese? The answer is ancient Chinese. The option 3. Okay. You have to tick option 3. That is by Alexander Graham Bell. So tick the option 2. Okay. Alexander Graham Bell. Then third one. Trees are made into dash before being made paper. What's the answer? Pulp. P-U-L-P. Pulp. That's the third option. Tick the third option. Trees are made into pulp before being made paper. Okay. Then fourth one. The first means of wireless communication was through the dash. Through the radio. Okay. The first means of wireless communication was through the radio. Okay. That is option 2. Radio. Then the first computer was made using the dash, punched card. Okay, option that is 1. Put tick and 1 and write the answer, punched card. Okay, once again, let me read, choose the correct answer. You can tick the option, that's more than enough. Please listen, okay? When you are reading, you must open your mouth and read. You can read along with me. Okay, dash used smoke signals to send messages, ancient Chinese. Telephone was invented by dash, Alexander Graham Bell. Trees are made into dash before being made paper, pulp. The first means of wireless communication was through the radio. The first computer was made using the punched card. Have you all marked the answers? Okay. Now, the third one, match the following. Okay, match the following. Okay, here the direct answers are marked. Okay, whether you can put the number, right? First one, steam engine. The correct answer is James Watt. Okay, steam engine, James Watt. So near James Watt, you have to put A. Clear? Okay, in the right hand side. You mark A in the right hand side. Steam engine, James Watt. Then radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Okay, radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Near Guglielmo Marconi, that is the third one. Put B. Okay. Then computer, Charles Babbage. Computer, Charles Babbage. Put C near Babbage. Then television, John Bird. John J.L. Bird. Okay, John Bird. Bird means the spelling is B-A-I-R-D. Bird. John Bird. Okay. Near that, you mark D. Then rocket, Robert Hutchings Goddard. Robert Hutchings Goddard. Near that, you have to mark E. Let me repeat the answer following. Steam engine, James Watt. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Computer, Charles Babbage. Television, John Bird. Rocket, Robert Hutchings Goddard. Clear? Okay. Okay, I hope you have marked all the answers in the book back, right? This is question answer. Okay, you watch this video. After this, I'll send you the answers. Please copy it in your social note neatly, as usual, with black pen and blue pen. Okay, for headings and the questions, you must use black pen, and for the answers, you have to use blue pen. You must write very neatly and clearly. Hope you have completed book back exercise in page number 36. Okay, Now listen to the video. When I am reading, you can also read along with me, okay? Let us learn the question answers. Answer in short. First one. How is paper made? Okay. How is paper made? Paper is made from raw wood, turned into pulp, then turned into fiber and pressed into sheets. In this way, the paper is made. Okay. Yes. How is paper made? You can watch here. Paper is made from raw wood, turned into pulp, then turned into fiber and pressed into sheets. Okay. In this way, the paper is made. Then second one, write the uses of steam engines. Okay. The steam engines were used to run carriages and steamboats. The steam engines were used to run carriages and steamboats, right? Question number 3. What are rockets used for? What are rockets used for? Rockets are used to launch satellites and space shuttles into space and also used as missiles in wars. Okay. Rockets are used to launch satellites and space shuttles into space and also used as missiles in the wars. Okay. Then fourth one, write about the first plane of the Wright brothers. The first plane of the Wright brothers was known as the Wright Flyer. This biplane flew for 12 seconds on its first flight on 17 December 1903. Okay, write about the first plane of the Wright brothers. The first plane of the Wright brothers was known as the Wright Flyer. This biplane flew for 12 seconds on its first flight on 17 December 1903. Yeah? Okay. We have completed 4 short answers. Okay, children? Okay. Answer in detail. Only 4 short answers in this lesson. Okay. Answer in detail. Okay. This is also a very small question. Okay. How did the first means of communication begin? How did the first means of communication begin? In 1895, Guglielmo Marconi from Italy studied radio waves and realized that they could be used for transmitting messages by using signals called the Morse code. Thus began the first means of wireless communication through the radio. Okay, how did the first means of communication begin? In 1895, Guglielmo Marconi from Italy studied radio waves and realized that they could be used for transmitting messages by using signals called the Morse code. Thus began the first means of wireless communication through the radio. Clear? Yes, this is the only detailed answer. Okay, children? And name the inventors. Name the inventors. You have to name the inventors with their inventions. Okay. Let's listen. First, aeroplane, Wright brothers. Okay. Aeroplane, Wright brothers. See here. Aeroplane, Wright brothers. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Then television, John Bird. Computer, Charles Babbage. Steam engine, James Watt. Printing press, Johannes Gutenberg. Rocket, Robert Hutchins Goddard. Paper, ancient Chinese. Okay, once again let me read. Aeroplane, Aeroplane. Okay, P is missing here. Please note it on. P is there. Aeroplane, Wright brothers. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Television was invented by John Bird. Who invented computer? Charles Babbage. He is also known as father of computers. Steam engine, James Watt. Printing press, Johannes Gutenberg. Rocket, Robert Hutchins Goddard. Okay. Then paper, ancient Chinese. Clear? Have you understood this chapter? Yes. Do you know to read this lesson? After completing the book back exercise, please take your social notes and copy down all these answers there. Okay. I'll send you through WhatsApp. Okay, children. Notes will be sent through WhatsApp. Please copy it neatly in your social classwork notebook. After that, you have to study everything with the correct spellings. If you are not studying the spellings, there is no use of writing text. Okay, so please learn all the spellings thoroughly. Okay, children? Okay. So we have completed chapter 2, inventions. You have to learn this chapter thoroughly with the spellings. Okay. Those who didn't complete chapter 1, please complete chapter 1 and then come to chapter 2. Okay, children? Yes. Don't keep together for studying. Study your daily portions regularly. Okay? Okay. Children, complete all the notes. Study everything. Obey your parents. Be good to your parents. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Bye, children.